Hi, welcome to my review for List Your Links. What is List Your Link all about? Discover 10 top secret sites to advertise for free, step-by-step easy to follow videos, learn how to choose the right offers to promote, advanced techniques to scale up your results, all the resources you need included for free, how to drive traffic to your offers using entirely free methods. So how much does List Your Links cost? At the front end, it costs $12.95. This first upsell, List Your Links Pro version, $37. And upsell number 2, Mega Traffic Package, $47. Upsell number 3, Reseller Rights at $47. Upsell number 4, Done For You Campaigns at $97. And upsell number 5, Executive Club at $37. And upsell number 6, become a beta tester for the Elite Academy at $997. At the front end, List Your Link at $12.95. Access the powerful List Your Link software and training modules. Upsell number 1, with the Pro version, you will discover a further 50 sites where you can advertise for free, as well as getting access to some advanced training and resources. Upsell number 2, Mega Traffic Package, $47. Place any 5 URLs of your choice on the traffic rotators of 5 of the best selling traffics products and get free daily traffic every day. Upsell number 3, Reseller Rights at $47. Get reseller rights to your List Your Links. Sell it as if it was your own product and keep commissions across the entire funnel. Upsell number 4, which is the Done For You campaigns at $97. You get sent 3 times Done For You campaigns each and every week. Includes Done For You bonus page with review video, product demo, and 10 custom bonuses delivered for you. Requires Commission Gorilla. Commission Gorilla is a software where you can create bonuses, and it's a wonderful software. And upsell number 5, Executive Club, $37. Put yourself ahead of the affiliate marketing game. Get notified at least a week before the launch of all new releases by Dawood. You will get a review copy of the product and guaranteed approval. You will even get commissions on the front end. Get ahead of the game and plan your campaigns early for maximum effect. Upsell number 6, become a beta tester for the Elite Academy, which is valued at $997, or you can make 3 payments of $497. For a limited time, this exclusive offer will include beta access to Dow's new high-ticket program, the Elite Academy, launching later this month. Be one of the very first to join. And here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. Discover 10 top secret sites to advertise for free, step-by-step easy to follow videos, learn how to choose the right offers to promote, advanced technique to scale up your results, all the resources you need included for free, how to drive traffic to your offers using entirely free methods. And all this, when you purchase it, this product at the link in the description below through my link. There is also a 30 days money back guarantee. When you purchase, List Your Links in the description below through my link. These are the bonuses that I have prepared for you. Bonus number 1, valued at $427.95, access 7-minute system. And bonus number 2, valued at $46.95. 4 ways to get instant design inspiration. And you also get bonus number 3, valued at $344.95. 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. And you also get bonus number 4, valued at $267. Access all the upsells from a secret product. This is only available for those who purchase this product in the first 12 hours only. And bonus number 5 are all the vendor bonuses. And what are the vendor bonuses that the vendor has for you? Bonus number 1, you will get Eagle emails. Learn how to do email marketing the right way with this flagship course. And you also get the vendor bonus number 2, 6 ways to make money on TikTok. Discover the secrets to the platform everyone, even the president, is talking about. And you also get bonus number 3, 8 top high ticket programs. Time to stop promoting low tickets. And bonus number 4, you will also get the internet marketing alphabet, your complete A to Z of internet marketing. And bonus number 5, tweaks. Learn how to finally monetize Twitter. So you will get all this with a 30 days money back guarantee. So do not worry, just click on my link below to get this product. And now I will bring you to the members area to take a look on the inside. So once you purchase this product, you can access the product and come into the members area. And this is what you will see inside. This is a welcome and an overview of the course. And this is the welcome video and also the main section. And this is the introduction to the training. Here, this gentleman Dawood will describe the course to you.
Training area of
and then you have many other sites below. All the training videos are here, one by one. You can just go through the training. Then secret site number 2, secret sites number 3. You just go through all the video training here. So all the members area things are all here. The resources, free squeeze page, everything is here. Okay, so you just access the squeeze page through here. Everything is here. So even you will have other bonuses inside here too. Okay, so thank you for watching my review video. See you. Take care. Bye.